Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change brightness on Windows 11. So to change the brightness here on your Windows 11, all you have to do is go to your start menu, and then here you have to look for adjust brightness. You can type on adjust brightness right here, and then after that what you're going to do next is you have to click open. So this is adjust brightness. Tap on open. Then you should see a box where you can see the adjust button. You can increase or decrease it. So basically, as you can see, this is what it looks like, especially if you are having trouble with the brightness, like you wanted to decrease brightness and it's kind of irritating or somehow it affects your eyes, then this decreasing of or changing brightness could really help you. So that's it. You just have to tap this one right here, increase and decrease this one. You can also type that specific number here below. So you can change that by tapping this number below right here. And then basically that's it. So the advantage of changing brightness is of course eye comfort and reduce eye strain. It also improves battery life, better sleep patterns, and also it enhances visibility. We also have this customization and control. So it allows for manual or automatic brightness adjustment, giving you or users more control over their displays or device display experience. So basically that's it. You just have to move it up and down. Again, just go to your start menu, look for adjust brightness, and you should see this one. So that's it. And I do really hope that this video somehow helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.